If you are planning to go to South Korea, this Korean restaurant is a must to visit. Hello, my name is Tommy Kikoy and fourth time ko na sa South Korea. This time nasa Korea kami to try the winter and first time namin ito. One of the reasons why bumalik kami agad dito is to look for the soup I tried last 2022. And finally, na-try ko na siya ulit at nakuha ko na ang name niya. This Korean dish is called Pyohae Jangguk or Pork Bones Hangover Soup. Perfect na perfect kasi galing kaming Chonan kasi nag-attend kami ng birthday party ng aking friend and I was dead drunk at medyo meron akong hangover. The Korean restaurant is located near Seoul Station, tabi ng Lotto Outlet and malapit sa GS25. Ang name ng Korean restaurant is Hanyang Shikdang. Pyohae Jangguk cost 10,000 Korean won or 400 pesos sa atin at sure na sure akong mapapa-extra rice ka talaga kasi sobrang overloaded ng karne niya. Pwede kang mag-request to lessen the spiciness kung ayaw mo ng medyo maanghang. Extra rice is 1,000 Korean won or 40 pesos sa atin. We got 3 side dishes kasama na ang main course. If you want to try new Korean food na medyo mas sabaw, maraming choices na pwede niyong pagpilian sa kanila. Price ranges from 9,000 Korean won to 45,000 Korean won. Like and follow for more Korean vlogs. Salamat!